I try to teach myself to not say anything when I'm angry. I'm not the type of person to get angry, which is to say, I don't get angry often, but there are certain people who know which buttons to press. But like I said, I don't get angry often. And I don't know if it's just me, but when it comes to speaking with someone that you care about, you know, it'd be nice to hear from them often, right? Maybe that's just how I see it. And then when you go for days without speaking to that person, without hearing from that person at all, it would bother you, right? I just want to make sure that I'm not I'm not overreacting or, getting upset for no reason. I don't I don't know. Whatever.